Hello everyone, this is Dr. Song. Welcome to my YouTube video. So today what I want to show you is how to make a box plot. Yeah, box whisker plot. Maybe you heard about that. So we can detect the outliers with the that option. So I'd like to show you how you can obtain that. So in your SPSS, you can open the variable view, and then you will go for the graph, and then you can see the all options. Here you will go to the box plot, and then you will click the simple, and then you have two options. So the first one, when you want to create the box plot for the group, and then the other one is without group, just one simple variable. So we will consider this one first, summary of the separate variables, and then you define. And then you have the different variables. So each variable, they can create a box plot. So let's go for the depression, and then you will put that, and then just enter. And then they will create the box plot for the depression. So you can see in the depression data, they have the 73 or 74. These three participants, they showed the score is out of the the maximum line and the minimum line. So this is the you as I explained in my course, quantitative research method. So that is the Q2, and then this is the Q3, and this is the Q1. So when you do the Q3 minus Q1, that becomes the interquartile range, and then you know how you can obtain the line, the maximum and the minimum line. That is from the Q3 plus interquartile range and times 1.5. So that is the formula, and then the other line is a minimum. You can obtain Q1 minus interquartile range times 1.5. So that is the that can be calculated by that way. And then when the scores are outside of the deadline, we consider that they are the outliers. So you can see here outliers, but they don't have the asterisk. When it becomes the asterisk, that becomes the extreme outliers. So that is obtained by the plus minus 3 standard deviation. So let's check how you can obtain that. These are the outliers, and now you will go for your data set, and then also you will do the comment, analyze, and then descriptive statistics, and then descriptive. And then you will choose the depression, and then you will check the save standardized value as a variable, and then you do OK. And then this will create in your data set the data score of your depression. That is a depression. So you can see that all these scores, they are jet scores. So that is the way how you can decide it's a plus minus 3 extreme outliers. So this one, you can do the search ascending, and then everything will be by ascending. So you can find here from the minus value, there is no minus 3. And then when you go to the highest one, highest score, there is no more than plus 3. So it's fine. That means that they don't have extreme outliers because they don't have any value plus minus 3. So you can verify this with your outlier. You can see that they have some higher scores, but they are not more than plus minus 3. So they are not extreme outliers. They are just kind of outliers. You can say that. Okay, so this is very simple, and then you can obtain the jet scores by the that command. Yeah, you can see here, and then also you can obtain your box plot by the graph, and then that box plot command, and then you will choose the summary of the separate variable, and then you can compare if that is true. They don't have extreme outliers with your z-score in your data set. Yeah. So this is very simple, but I wanted to show you how you can obtain the box plot and also to verify the extreme outliers. Thank you so much. See you next time.